My name is Miss Alex, and we are going to be in first grade English class today. We're going to be reading a book called The Deep Blue Sea, and we're going to be learning some sight words, writing some sentences with those sight words, learning some verbs, adverbs, adjectives, that kind of thing. So let's get started today. This is my first grade student. His name is Eric. And he's going to be reading this book, and I'm going to be helping him sound out words that he doesn't know, and he's going to be finding some sight words. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
The Deep Blue Sea, a book of colors. There's the sea, the deep blue sea.
All right, do you remember our sight words of the week that are right here behind us?
Sight words of the week. And, the, in, on, of, spot, all, makes, play, sing.
Do you see any sight words on this page?
No.
Look in that first sentence right there. What do you see?
Oh, the.
There you go. Perfect.
There's the sea, the deep blue sea.
Can you point out anything in this room that's blue?
Your mask.
Good job. All right, let's go to the next page.
There's a rock, a red rock in the middle of the deep blue sea.
Are there any sight words on this page?
No.
I think there are.
The.
There's another one on there too.
In.
Good job.
Oh, thank you. Next page.
Next page.
There's a tree, a green tree on a red rock in the middle of the deep blue sea. There's a nut, a brown nut on a green tree on a red rock in the middle of the deep blue sea.
Are there any sight words on that page?
There's in.
Good job.
And the and on.
Good job.
All right. There's a parrot, a purple parrot on a brown nut on a green tree on a red rock in the middle of the deep blue sea.
Any sight words on this page?
No new ones, just on.
Good job.
There's a
Sound it out.
butterfly.
Good job.
An orange butterfly on a purple parrot on a brown nut on a green tree on a red rock in the middle of the deep blue sea.
Any new sight words on this page?
No new sight words.
Good job.
There's a spot, a black spot on an orange butterfly on a purple parrot on a brown nut on a green tree on a red rock in the middle of the deep blue sea.
Any new words on this page?
Spot.
Good job.
An over them all shines the big yellow sun
Where is the sun?
in the sky.
Good job.
Until a little white cloud.
Any new words on this page?
No new words.
Awesome.
Turns dark and gray. Which makes the fishies come up to play.
Can you count the fish on here for me? Out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fish.
I think you might have missed one. You want to recount those?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 10. 10 fish.
Good job.
And all the fishies sing fiddle dee dee. It's raining on the rock.
I think you missed a word.
And all the little fishies sing.
All right, do you want to restart that page?
Then all the little fishies sing fiddle dee dee. It's raining on the rock.
Good job. Any sight words on this page? Any new sight words on this page?
Sing.
Good job.
In the middle of the sea. The end.
The end. All right, so what I want you to do with those sight words that you learned from this book, I want you to write 3 sentences with at least 2 of those sight words in those sentences. Can you do that? Okay. Here's a pen for you. Here's a list of sight words that he's going to use to write those sentences for me. All right, so let's make those sentences. All right, what sight words did you use in that one?
Be, play, and sing.
Good job. All right, let's go to the second sentence.
The sun makes the bird on the nut warm.
What words did you use in that one?
The makes the on the.
All right, let's go to the third one.
The red fish and the blue fish are in the sea.
All right, what sight words did you use in that sentence?
The and the in.
Good job. So now we're going to talk about verbs and adverbs. Do you know what a verb is?
What's a verb?
It's like an action, like he kicked the ball. So can you tell me what you think a few verbs might be?
The fish swim.
So what's the verb in there?
Swim.
Perfect. Good job. All right. Can you make a sentence with that? A longer sentence?
The fish like to swim in the ocean.
Good job. All right. Can you tell me what an adverb is?
What's an adverb?
So can you tell me what an adverb is?
What's an adverb?
An adverb describes a verb, such as the cat ran quickly.
Okay.
So can you use that in a sentence for me?
The fish swam quickly.
Good job. All right, so do you know what an adjective is?
What's an adjective?
An adjective describes a noun, such as something like a color. So can you use that in a sentence for me?
The blue fish.
Good job. All right, do you want to look through this book and find some adjectives for me?
The blue sea.
Let's find 7 adjectives in the book.
7 adjectives. The red rock.
That's 1,
The green tree.
2,
Brown nut.
3,
Purple parrot.
4,
Orange butterfly.
5,
Black spot.
6,
And the white cloud.
7. Good job. All right, so we did some adjectives, some adverbs, some verbs. Now let's work on our handwriting skills. What I want you to do is trace these words and then write them out underneath, okay? You can just do one of each of them from now on. All right, do you want to show everybody your work? No, read those words out loud to me.
Cart. Barn. Arm. Art. None.
All right, use barn in a sentence.
The cow sleeps in the barn.
Use arm in a sentence.
The man picks up the cup with his arm.
I think a man might pick up a cup with his hand, but that's okay. All right, use cart in a sentence.
You put your groceries in the cart.
All right, use art in a sentence.
You use paint to make art.
Now use none in a sentence.
I ate the cookies and now there are none.
Well, that's kind of a sad sentence now, isn't it? But I think because you did so well today, you deserve another cookie.